Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
At a press conference held on Thursday, proprietor of Samkhamti and member of the Dorbar Shnong Urkaliar Shillong Samborlang Diengdoh had publicly announced his intention of associating himself with the Trinamool Congress Party in the state. Briefing newsperson Samborlang Diengdoh announced that his main intention to join the TMC is first of all based on the mixed community that exists in the Pynthorumkhrah Constituency. He added that as a contender to the 2023 Assembly elections in the state, his goal is to serve his constituents, where being in the opposition as an MLA will be far more beneficial to fight against issues that concern the welfare and well-being of the general public.
So the reason why I chose the Trinamool Congress, the TMC, is because for the last 7 to 8 months, I've been having my own social media team. We've been addressing the grievances of the public, and we found out that firstly the demography of the constituency demands for us to propagate a national party. That's the main thing, and most importantly, what we found out, what the report revealed was that 80% of our constituents belong to the middle class and the below poverty line, and these families they earn in the daytime, and whenever they earn, they spend in the evening for the fooding. So what these particular families address the grievances is that they've told us that they have huge concern over the price rise of essential commodities. They have huge concern over the price rise of gas. They have huge concern over the price rise of all the things that they need on a daily basis. So based on these following facts, I deeply understood that I have to propagate firstly a national party, and that national party should have a national appeal with the regionalism sentiments. So based on these following facts, I've chosen to contest on a TMC ticket, and my official joining to the party will be day after tomorrow. The order from the Honorable Deputy Commissioner for holding the said function also has been approved. So I'm expecting you to come there in the program, and I take this opportunity also to urge upon all the constituents of Pynthorumkhrah Constituency to please come to the meeting and give me a small place in your heart and listen to what myself as a candidate and the TMC as a party has an offer for you. Yes, I know that Pynthorumkhrah Constituency is a very tricky one because I'm up against two most experienced legislators, two most experienced politicians in LHEC and PNCM. There's already 40 years of Meghalaya politics between the two of them, and I deeply have huge respect for both of them. As per my books, they are leaders in their own rights, but the present situation with the generation gap, I think Pynthorumkhrah Constituency needs a younger MLA for this once.